Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. Today we will be telling you how to make homemade and easy yummy kadhai chicken. So, starting with our chicken, let me tell you what we have done with this chicken. We have taken 1 kg of chicken and marinated it with the ingredients 3/4 of red chili powder, a half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon haldi or turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoon table salt, and you can add according to your taste table salt. Then half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon any of your favorite chicken masala or any other chicken masala, or add and then marinate all of these ingredients with curd around 150 grams in this amount of chicken, and totally mash it with your hands and keep it in refrigerator for about half an hour for marinating. Now starting with my other ingredients, I have onion, 1 big onion that is finely chopped. This is ginger garlic paste. This one is jeera that is grinded, and this one is dry coriander. Now with these masale, I have this star anise. It is also a big, very awesome masala. This one is big elaichi. This is small elaichi. This is cloves or long. This is dalchini, this one, and this is tej patta. Then starting with this bowl has fried onion paste. You need this much amount of full bowl for your ingredient. This has only fried onion which is grinded and turned into a paste. This is the paste of tomatoes and chilies, green chilies. We have taken 3 tomatoes of medium size and 3 chilies and grinded them in paste. Then we have this solid zeera, and here we had the grinded one. Now starting with the kadhai, we need to switch on the flame and we need to put this much amount, that is 1 big tablespoon of oil into the kadhai. Wait for the oil to be heated up. Now oil has been heated up a little bit. We will be adding jeera and then stirring it. Then adding that finely chopped 1 big onion. Then again stirring it. We need to stir the onions properly so that they are hash brown or golden brown. See that paste which I told you, that onion paste, this is how it was made. We fried the onions into the oil and then we grinded it into a paste. So now putting some masales with tej patta, 2 to 3, then dalchini, then cloves, then small elaichi, then big one, and the end star anise. Now blending it or stirring it. See guys, you have to make the onions hash brown and all the masale These are called khade masale because they are in solid form. So we'll see, some of the onions have become brown. Now we will put 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste which we prepared and stir it. And while stirring, you need to make your flame on slow mode. Oh my god, this ginger garlic is like, paste gives so damn good aroma. It's so awesome. Now we need to put that dry coriander and jeera, that both of them were grinded firm. So we need to put it into the material. This mixture is prepared now. We will put that tomato puree and then again blend it or stir it. Slowly and slowly we need to stir it. Now for making this tomato puree be properly cooked, we need to make the gas flame on the medium mode. Then again you need to stir this. Keep stirring so that the tomato puree is cooked. See, the bubbles have started coming. We'll stir the mixture again. See, the tomato puree will be cooked when we get one hint from the food itself. It itself gives its hint that it will be properly cooked. Tomato puree will be releasing oil. It will start releasing oil from its corner. I will show you properly. See, now it has started almost releasing oil to its every corner. But still we need to make it little more cooked. Now see, you can see it is cooked. We will put that fried onion paste into that tomato puree that was totally cooked now, and then blend it. See, this kind of mixture will be prepared after doing all your steps. Now the only step left is to put your chicken. While you need to put that, you need to cook this mixture properly. Keep stirring and let it cook. See, the corners have started to release oil. That means it is also almost cooked now. and it is moving in a one single go, just like I told you in that halwa thing. It is also moving in a one single go, and it has started releasing oil. ये देख सकते हैं आप, इसमें ये एक ही बारी में पूरा मसाला मूव कर रहा है और इसके साइड कॉर्नर्स में पूरा ऑयल हो चुका है। इसका मतलब ये पक गया है। नाउ इट इज कुक्ड, दिस मिक्सचर इज कुक्ड। नाउ वी विल पुट सम दैट मैरिनेटेड चिकन ऑफ आवर्स into that mixture slowly and gently. Guys, this is the easiest and simple recipe of our kadhai chicken. You should try it at least once. I guarantee you that you people will be loving it. I am giving you my own guarantee that it just makes out to be so mouth-watering and so yummy. Wow, it's just so yummy. You need to at least give it a one try, because it's like so delicious looking. See, all our chicken is properly mixed into the gravy or the mixture. Now that it is totally mixed, we will put some of the water. See, that marinated content, only we just did one simple thing. The rest of the material left in the marinating bowl, we took water and then rinsed that water with it and poured that water into this. Simple. This much water is enough. See, so yummy and delicious it is looking, guys. Wow, so mouth-watering. I'm really saying that I suggest you please try this at your home. You would definitely love it. Now we will wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes and cover this with any of your container or any of your thing which you want to cover this kadhai with, and after 15 to 20 minutes we will come back and show you what is the condition of our kadhai chicken.